Old as hunger, old as pain, Mr. Pitch is sunlight's bane. Fire might soothe age-old doubt, but sometime it must wink out. Old as hunger, old as pain, Mr. Pitch will ever reign. Those who serve the dark divine drink of brackish, blackish brine, tranquil in our Stygian womb, one with still and endless gloom. Those who serve the dark divine, all to Mr. Pitch consign. When a turncoat's worship ceased, Mr. Pitch sent out his beast, stalking shadow without shape, left no light to find escape. When a turncoat's worship ceased, they became the Umbra's feast. There is no place you can hide from the blessed milky-eyed. Every cloaked, concealed place leads to sable armed embrace. There is no place you can hide, Mr. Pitch won't be denied. Children know to fear a dark, reverent of night's patriarch, marrow deep in humankind, dread of the forever blind. Children know to fear the dark, Mr. Pitch has left his mark. Mr. Pitch's favorite game has no pieces, has no